Am I the only one that didn't know about these explosive penny cryptos? Let's dive right in. First up, Shiba Inu, or SHIB. Launched in 2020, this meme coin has a $9.6 billion market cap. SHIB's community-driven approach and backing from big names like Elon Musk have skyrocketed its popularity. Next, Pepe Coin, or Pepe. With a $4.94 billion market cap, Pepe celebrates the iconic Pepe the Frog meme. This deflationary meme coin on Ethereum is riding the meme coin wave straight to the moon. Moving on, we have BONK. Launched late 2022, BONK aims to boost liquidity on Solana DEX. It's already made waves with a 34% rise in Solana's SOL token just days after launch. Then there's Notcoin, or Not. This viral sensation on Telegram has grown into a Web3 powerhouse with millions of users. Its tap-to-earn mining mechanism is making waves in decentralized finance. Last but not least, Gala, or Gala. With a $749.7 million market cap, Gala is transforming entertainment with its Gala chain. From games to music to film, Gala chain is empowering creators worldwide. Remember, always do your own research and invest responsibly. Let's get those gains.